Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to explain how to find the maximum and minimum value of a given function in single variable using MATLAB. So to find out the maximum or minimum value of the given function in single variable, first we need to find out the critical point. So to find the critical point we need the first order derivative. Using diff command, we can find the first order derivative and we have to solve that first order derivative, equate that first order derivative to 0 and solve that equation to find the critical point. So to solve a equation, the command in MATLAB is solve equation comma variable. After finding the critical point, we need to substitute the critical point in the second order derivative. So to substitute the critical point in the second order derivative, we are going to use the MATLAB command subs, that is subs. After substituting the critical point in the second order derivative, by using if else if command, we are going to check whether the critical point is the maximum point or minimum point. Now this is the coding to find out the derivative of the given function in MATLAB. This is the coding to find out the maximum or minimum value of the given function. As we are going to find out the derivatives, we need to declare the variable as a symbolic variable. So in the first line, we declared x as a symbolic variable by using syms command. And in the second line, we entered the given function. And in the fifth line, we are calculating the first order derivative by using diff command. And in the eighth line, we are solving that first order derivative to find the critical point by using solve command. That is, we are using the command MATLAB command solve expression comma variable. That is, we are going to solve the first order derivative with respect to x. And in the 11th line, we are calculating the second order derivative. And in 13th line, we are having a for loop. So within the for loop, we are going to find out the second order derivative value for all the critical points we obtained in the previous step, as well as within the loop itself, we are going to test whether that critical point is the maximum point or minimum point by using if condition. So within the for loop, we are calculating the second order derivative value at the critical point by using subs command. After calculating the second order derivative value at the critical point, the MATLAB will store it in the name of test. And if the test value is greater than 0 means, then it will print the minimum at x equal to, that is, it will print minimum at x equal to that critical point as well as the minimum value. If the test is less than 0 means, that is, the test value is less than 0 means, then it will print as maximum at x equal to that critical point as well as the maximum value. If the test value is not greater than 0 and less than 0 means, then it will print as test is inconclusive at x equal to that particular critical point. So the MATLAB will execute this set of commands for all the critical points. So now let's run this program. So once again, let me clear the screen and run the program again. So for the given function, we have two critical points. One is 1 and another one is 3. And 1 is a maximum point and the maximum value is 6. And 3 is the minimum point and the minimum value is 2. Now this is how to find the maximum or minimum value of the given function using MATLAB. Hope you will understand this video. Thank you for watching.